Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Nucleon Plasma Back Protector. Okay, the Nucleon Plasma Back Protector retails for $159.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we never update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a new full coverage back protector intended to be worn under primarily a race suit. You can wear this under a jacket as well, right? The length of the protector. This is going to be the same as that full coverage back insert that they came out with. I think this is actually the same piece, right? With, just essentially a strapping system affixed to it, right? That they came out with a couple of years ago. Underneath a jacket, the length of this is going to be pretty much right to the end of the jacket. So this is going to be designed more for people looking to do racing and or track days that are not wearing one of the Alpinestars airbag systems that comes with an integrated back protector. CE Level 2 certified. This thing is moldable, flexible, super comfortable, right? Kind of heat sensitive too. The warmer this material gets, the more moldable it becomes. Kind of disappears underneath the suit. That's a great advantage. Tremendous ventilation, as you can see. Perforations through the material. And they also have on the back side of it all these raised ribs, and that helps to maintain a pocket of air between your body and the back protector itself. Just going to work to keep you cooler. This comes in multiple sizes, from extra small through extra large. There's a great size chart for this product right on the listing. There are 3 shell sizes, the shell being the actual physical size of the back protector insert itself. The extra small has its own shell. The small and the medium both share the same shell. It'll be a little bit longer than the one that you see with the extra small. And then the large, extra large, share the 3rd shell size. The difference between the small and the medium is you're going to pick up, a little additional length in the strap waist belt, okay? If you're bigger around the middle, right, and it's on the size chart, go with the one that offers the longer belt. Just going to make it more comfortable, easier for you to wear. That holds true when you're choosing between a small and a medium, because the only difference is going to be the length of the waist belt, and the large and the extra large. When you're putting it under a race suit, when I look at that size chart, like let's say that you're in between wearing a small or a medium that uses the small medium shell size and a large, right? If your waist is going to work with the large size, I would say it's going under a suit. Let's go up that one size and get just a little bit of extra coverage under the suit. Just going to be beneficial in the event that you have a crash. Now, something that Alpinestars did here that's a little bit unique, that it's a feature I kind of dig, is they came up with a strapping system that is fully customizable. There's some riders out there that want to use a back protector that has over-the-shoulder straps. As you can see, these have the traditional adjustments. You're also able to move these around on the back protector itself. This is going to help you increase comfort, right? They've got some stitching in here to indicate maybe the different locations so you can keep it even from side to side. Something else you can do, if all you want to do is just simply use the waist strap, you can pull that all off and roll with just the waist, because end of the day, even though these are pretty low profile, all this does is take up more room underneath the suit. And if your suit fits properly, realistically, you probably do not need the shoulder straps. The waist strap also has an elastic material built into it. The reason behind that is you can't have a fixed waist belt, right? Because riding the motorcycle is an athletic activity. Your core is flexing, right? Expanding, contracting constantly as you're moving around on the bike. You need this thing to be able to move with you. when you have it strapped up, it shouldn't ever feel like it's stretched so hard that it's restrictive. If you want to move this one around, all you have to do is release the Velcro here. You know, and they've kind of got the stripe there to indicate the different levels, right, where you can locate it. This is going to be more than anything, the waist strap area, that's just going to be a comfort thing. We're all shaped a little bit differently. You want to kind of get this to ride on the smallest part of your waist. That's going to help just to hold it in place the best, right? If you have it up too high, and it's naturally going to want to migrate down to the thinnest part of your waist. So just play around with that a little bit when you get it under your suit. What do I think of this? By the way, too, this is super important. This is CE Level 2 certified, right? Which is the current highest standard out there. Give you an idea of the thickness of the material as well. It's going to be pretty low profile under your suit. Over the last several seasons, Alpinestars has done a great job with the armor, right? We've loved their back protectors. That's what Max is using right now. He has an airbag suit. It's other than Alpinestars brand at this point. It's the RST, so you have to wear a back protector underneath it. There's no integrated back protector in his particular race suit. He's wearing an Alpinestars because they've just done a great job with it. I think the plasma version that we're seeing here is another example of that. One other quick feature that I think I missed was, you know, what they did too when they came up with the strapping system is they put like a medium density material here that's integrated into that mesh that goes over the top of the plasma insert itself, just to add a little more rigidity right there in the spine area of the protector to help manage impact and kind of spread the load a little bit more. I like it. I think it's a quality piece. They've done a great job with this stuff over the years. It can be trusted. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.